first viewpoint on the Escarpment Trail, heading southbound. Here reporting is Jake Varela. Oh. So 3.75 miles up and cruising for the first hour and 10. So making very good pace and not too buggy. A little buggy, but not too buggy. All right, approaching view number 2. Wow, really expands out here when you get out to the rock. Pretty clean drop off. Lots of homes deep out in the distance, and some peaks that I think I shall be heading to shortly. Right there. Not sure what it is, but that's the direction I'm headed. Yeah. Currently enjoying a snack at mile 5 in, going south. Little Nutrigrain bar. And you might be able to make them out on the camera, I'm not sure, but there are a ton of gnats. So, just letting them hang. Run through my nose, face, you know. Very nice day. It is so cool. Bumblebee. So I just walked up here and instantly pretty chilly. I got hit with what felt like a totally different season. I think it's like mid 50s, but it feels like low 50s, high 40s right now. And I'm just waiting for the rain, but maybe not. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Very cool valley over here, and the sun pops out for a little bit of warmth. Damn, this is the coolest viewpoint yet, I will say. By Burnt Knob, like 6 miles in. So, I'm making a pretty decent pace. I keep pulling off on these viewpoints, but I think I'm 7 in, and I've been hiking for 3 hours with 1 break I took to eat some snacks, and the sweat's here, but I'm cruising. Gonna stop at Bavia Kill Trail to fill up some water and eat some macaroni and cheese, which is gonna be bomb. And we're back. It's an amazing lunch. So I am 9 miles in. Oop, bug just flew in my eye. And I have my fleece on because it's pretty chilly. And it's like, a little past 1. I have to do another 8 miles to get to where I'm anticipating to finish, which is North Point. I think I'm making pretty good time. Also, this Young Forever mac and cheese is quite good. It's got peas and carrots and corn in it. Was not expecting that, but it's a great addition. Here we go. About 10.5 miles in. Got 7 more to go to get to camp. We're gonna make it happen. So it's 2:30, and I think I just did the biggest climb of the day. So I got 6, maybe 5.5 hours of sunlight and 7.5 miles to camp, so I should be good if I do 2 miles an hour. Bum bum bum, let's go. So I'm 12.5 miles in and chilling on this slanted rock, lounging, resting the legs for a bit before I head back. I literally did all of the climbing today. There's one more climb I have to do to get to the campground that I'm gonna, well, not campground, but primitive campsite that I'm looking at. And then it's all downhill tomorrow, so I'm gonna be taking it easy. But I think it's 800 feet up for the last climb, and then like 5 miles about, so shouldn't be too bad. It's 3:30 now, and that means I have 4.5 hours of sunlight, so I could go as slow as I want. I've had a pretty consistent 2.5 mile pace all day, so Should be there by like 6:30, I would say. Got this. I'm really close to North-South Lake. I kind of think that might be the lake since I passed Colgate a while ago. And I just passed Arizona Mountain, and this was a viewpoint off the trail. And I'm pretty sure I am going down here and then working my way up and around to the lake. We'll see what happens. I just took a break to have a snack like 100 feet back on this trail and just stumbled upon this view. At mile 14.9, probably like 3.5 more to camp. And here we go. There's just a plane that must have crashed here God knows how long ago on the trail. That's pretty wild. I'm so close to camp. It's like right behind me, and this views pops up as I get here. Wow. I am pretty shot, to be honest. It's been like 18.5 miles today and like 5,000 feet of elevation gain, so ready to lay down. Just made it in time for sunrise. Let's go. Absolutely beautiful. Newman's Ledge. It's a straight shot down.